Hey, welcome back to Business Repair Shop. Well, I'll tell you what. Working on those brakes. This tool right here, it's an indexable claw foot. It's a gear wrench. You don't have one of these, you should get one because that other side completely sucked to take apart. Completely horrible. This side, gravy. Got in there, got behind the front part of the seal, which is up there. Popped that out. Got in behind the back part of the seal, gave it a hit. Then I went over to my little one because then I had just that inner race that's laying right there. Gave it this little guy, and that baby popped right out of there. So, again, gear wrench, they're indexable, so you can hit them here, and they can change the angle of the dangle. So, yeah, it's late. I thought I was going to be done working, but heck, got this all tore apart. Might as well go get the tripod and set this up. Maybe I'll try and reassemble this thing tonight. That'd be kind of crazy. Probably won't. You'll probably see this video added onto tomorrow's video. That's a better idea. But yeah, so gonna get that all cleaned up, and we'll try and get that cleaned up tonight. And so I'm just gonna take. I still got just a pile of gunk in it. It's nasty. Ugh. Filthy. Absolutely filthy. We'll clean up all that. Clean the seal up, clean the spline up on that. Get that thing cleaned up. The hardest part of this job is over now, I'll tell you what. Because now that that's basically done, now all I gotta do is clean that all up with some brake clean and we'll get it back together. So, hey, no, like I said, this will probably go into tomorrow night's video because I'll probably finish it up then, but good deal. Just glad to get that up. That look good for you guys. So I got that seal out. Like I said, the video that rolled at the beginning of this was me getting that seal out. Came out a lot better on this side versus the other side. I'll tell you what. So I got the seal out, got the drum all cleaned up. Go ahead and install this tonight, and then we'll get it all back together. Maybe. So yeah. Come on. So next BIBSTER announcing gig is in, not this weekend, but next weekend at the Pete Monster. Memorial Day weekend at Saturday. We'll be announcing the Mud Bogs. First one of the year. Hopefully a really good truck turnout. Let me bring you guys over here. The other side went on a little hard too. Watch your ears. Oh, hit the phone. I'm gonna stop. Hold on. All right, so we got that back on, and now we'll take. So this one actually had a rubber gasket on it, but it's only a felt one, so I'll go ahead and pull that off and get the felt one put on. I can find it. It's in here. Got all these parts from Steiner. They're always pretty good about getting parts. I've watched other videos. It's a part number for that. It's whatever that is. The other one, the big seal was like ABC something. But I know that you can probably get a whole piece of felt and then cut these gaskets out, but it is just simple. They're like $6 a piece. Just get them from the factory or get them from Steiner, already done, ready to go. Pretty simple. This doesn't have to be super tight because this is actually the preload on that bearing. So as you can see, you gotta actually take your hitch off to get that drum out. So get this tightened up here. The only thing I don't have, I should have gotten it. It's 11 o'clock on Wednesday, so is the actually, there it is the keyway for the adjuster here. So I might get it all the way back in, have to try and find a keyway tomorrow. So we'll see how far I get tonight. Like I said, it is a late one. So this video will be going up tomorrow, Thursday morning. That's when you guys will actually be seeing that. So these both were just basically just kind of not too crazy tight, because again, all they're doing is they're setting that preload on that bearing that's in there. So kind of judging by how tight that was, that should be good. Nope, mind that, just dropping parts. All right, so we'll assemble the bands now. I said I did this on the other side already. Had my brother-in-law weld that up, because that piece was broke, if you remember that from the last video. I think I made a video showing that, possibly, maybe. Where's the other brake shoe? I don't know if you guys can hear me. Oh, come on. Where'd that thing go? It was around here somewhere. All right, I'll bring it back. I'll assemble that quick. All right, so I got those pins on, and I got this. I put a little bit of anti-seize in there just so it's kind of helped grease that up a little bit. Hopefully it'll, if I ever have to do this again, which I hope not to have to, but you know, all things are possible. We all know that. So we could have to do it again. But now what I'll do is I'll take my vice grips and tighten that up, and I'll put the cover on. And we'll get as far as we can get before we have to, that counter key I don't have. And obviously, being that it's now almost midnight, probably not gonna go for a test drive. I feel that would be a poor decision on my part. Again, hopefully y'all can hear me. If not, I'll cut that part out. But hopefully it did. Just use this. Lay on that. Kind of like that. Train it how it wants to go. Grab the band cover. This is gonna look filthy, but I'm just gonna basically wait till it's all said and done, then I'll wash it a little bit better. Actually, I'll bring it back. I'm gonna go breaking this off real quick. Hang on. All right, not perfect, but sure is a whole lot. Maybe use one more rag. I'll wipe off the rest of the schmoo from the inside of that. Speaking of making references to Ave, yeah, that was kind of my funny knockoff version of his intro on Saturday's video. Honestly, I didn't even think about it until somebody brought it up. It totally was an Ave move. I thought it was kind of something a little different, something kind of fun. Get a couple bolts ready. I don't know, maybe you guys liked it, maybe you didn't, but I thought it was kind of fun. Yep. Gonna use just a hint of persuasion on this, I think. Where's my persuader? Old persuader. There we go. Yeah, it seems to be wanting to go on. Just gotta help it find a way. Ow. Oh, there's the persuader. Well, it's persuaded quite nicely. couple bolts in there. Make sure that gets started, and then I'll tighten those up off camera. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done the full, you know, actually showing more than just the clips of the work done. So, I hope you guys, I think you guys like these, but I enjoy them, tell little stories. So yeah, but I got started on it, but I didn't finish it. See, I'll be at the Peat Monster, so not this Saturday, but the Saturday after next. And we'll be doing a mud bog. And we have everything from completely stock trucks to full-blown, over 1,500, 2,000 horsepower, just straight nasty. And it's gonna be fun. We're hoping to have a record number. It's been down for the last couple years. COVID didn't sure help last year. And so we figure we're gonna have some fun. Be a good time, it's all outdoors. Tons of room. So make sure to go out there, tell them Bibster sent you. And you can hear me be on the mic. And that's either a great success or another failure. But either way, you get to enjoy my success, because it's like I said, it's either really fun or it's like me trying to find the last couple bolts here. What did I do with them? Did they peel? There's one. So I'll get these tightened up and I'll bring you back when we get ready to do the next step. All right, so I got that all back on. Still got to tighten the bolts all the way up, but I'll wait till after I get the last thing done. Probably will do tomorrow night, because what you have to now do is adjust your free play and your brake lever. And you want to have, it's like 1 inch to 1.5 inches of a free play. So there's a couple ways. There's your adjuster on it, and then there's your this here, which is your, it's like you're changing your length of your brake pedal. Well, because both brake pedals are on the same side, you got to adjust it over here. What I'll end up doing is, when I got buddies over tomorrow night, I'll raise my small one. I'll just have them run the brakes, and I can adjust this in and out, and then once I get it where I want it. You can kind of set it by knowing, like there's nothing there, it's all the way up. So you want to be, because like right now, the brakes would be like almost fully on. So, oh, probably edit that out. But yeah, so I'll back this all the way out, put that pin in there, and then also while I have this, because this is gonna have to be probably almost all the way out, I gotta put that spring on. And then we should be pretty much done for tonight. We'll get this up and going, and then we'll finish it out tomorrow night. Like I said, not pulling this weekend, which the weather's not looking that good for it anyway now. Well, Saturday's the only nice day, but we've gotten rain every day this week. Put a little, sorry if I hit you on the phone there. Hope I didn't. This free all has been pretty good. Let me hook the spring up first, and then I'll know my actual distance. The part for that seal from Steiner's is ABC 3201. For those playing at home. And my spring. Now the last thing I gotta do is not run into that. And the spring part number here is I'll finish tightening all these bolts up. adjust the brakes. And I got the seals. Got some more seals for this tractor. Probably put the PTO one on, just so it stops. That's the one that's leaking the worst. And then that should be. We should have ourselves a pretty sealed up tractor. I have this bolt out still, so I'll have to put that back in, but you can kind of see now where that's gonna have to come out just a ways more. So we'll get that the rest of the way out and bolt it on, but we'll probably call it a video for tonight. So like and subscribe, you guys know what to do. Thanks for watching, get some new subscribers. Thanks for checking the channel out. More content to come. I'll be doing some vlogs whenever I go to the racetracks and some other stuff, so not necessarily a vlog, just kind of an overview of what I'm doing. So, and hopefully my buddy's race car's gonna be done soon, so we should be racing with the Derek Wilson pretty soon. So here's where you kind of want to come up a little more, probably like right there. So come up a little bit more with it, but his race car's just about done, I think. Got to do some practicing on it, but he'll be at the track before the end of the season. It should be fun. So do that. Put the pin in there and have ourselves some brakes. So we'll finish the assembly on this and we'll bring you back on the next one. But like and subscribe, you guys know what to do. We'll see you. Bye.